Igsuon atong scripture reading karon na as Ephesians chapter 6 verse number 1 ingon ang balang kasulatan, "Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right." Igsuon kani nga verse nag-emphasize sa importance of obedience within the family structure, reflecting God's divine order. Igsuon kung imo ning sabton nga verse, dapat ang anak should respect and obey their parents, recognizing their authority. Dili lang mo respect, but to show love and care for them. Kung mo-obey ka sa imong parents, it can bring honor and blessings to both children and parents. Igsuon, subo malandungon karon nga generation nagkaanam nagkawala ang respeto ug obedience sa parents. Mas maprayo pa nila ilang barkada, bisyo ug busy na kayo sa cellphone. Igsuon, ang sugo sa Ginoo ingon siya, "Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right." Thank you and God bless us all.